can't see, but it's at 120. The tank there. That one's down to there. Runs along the door there.
Daddy, can I go play with them?
Comes out, runs up to there. This here goes to my gauge up in.
Huh, Daddy?
Wait. There is the valve. Entrance here, out over here. If you notice, I got copper running from to the horn. Goes down to the firewall. Here's the chain. Just pull this up and it honks.
I want to play with Daddy.
Okay, hold on. If you look right down there, you can see the copper coming out. It runs through there, through there, straight across. You can see it down there. Come across there. Comes out, and you can see the horn there barely.